A painting about Star Trek? I got you, bro.
We are going XL. Let's do it. I have a planet on this corner right here. Sunset orange down here. Sunflower yellow next to that. Saffron yellow next to that. Cover this side of it in black and this side in white. Grab the wheat here, give it a crumple. Let's give it a light rub like that and peel it off. White highlight round here and black shadow round here. Get the bowl down on that. Now with some soap, fuchsia and aqua, I'm going to make a portal to another world. Just covering this in black and then we'll texture it out. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Just going to get the rest of the sky filled out and see what we're working with. Sticky! Wouldn't be Star Trek if there was no stars to trek. Now using the spare piece of card, I'm just going to add some more kind of curvy detail to my portal here. And with some white, I want a flash coming from the centre of my portal. Right there. I'm going to have some gleaming pink coming out of there too. Sticky! More stars, more depth. With some magic white, I want to add a bit of an atmosphere to this planet. A little touch of orange to that too. Now with this spare piece of card and my paintbrush, I'm just going to poke a hole through it. Just like that. If I shoot through it with the white, it's just going to give me a couple little brighter stars. I think we'll make this one just flare out a little bit. Now we add the Enterprise. Oh yeah. Let's take this guy off. God damn, she's pretty. I think I want the Enterprise right here. I want her in roof grey with some black details. Okay, now that's covered, I'm going to use this guy just to add some streaks from the ship into our portal here. Squiggle my diggle. I think you're going to love this. And boom. Yes, my friends. We have made it so.